was the value of managing emotions. Out of curiosity, how many of you guys are hot-tempered in this audience? Can I please see a show of hands? How many of you guys have a temper? Temper. Right, okay. Thank you for that frank acknowledgement. So, I will tell you, year was 1997. It was my first project. Nalanda was organizing a project called Quiz Me. I remember working hard as a member because we got a massive hall to clean up. 3 to 4 hours of hard work in terms of cleaning. I remember those white clothes were literally brown, right? And feeling extremely tired. As you know, in clubs, such hard work you only find few members to do, right? And then a very senior member in the club, after 3 to 4 hours of hard work, I still remember that day, I was feeling really sick after working so hard, came and blasted us for not doing a proper job. After working so hard for 3 to 4 hours, when somebody comes and blasts you, how do you feel? Guys, come on, how do you feel? How many of you have gotten blasted like that from a senior member of the club after working so hard? How do you feel?
One feels bad.
Pretty bad? How many of you feel really angry? Especially when you're the one who worked so hard and the other guy didn't do anything but still comes and blasts the hell out of you. How many of you will feel angry, right? I felt angry, I felt frustrated, I felt irritated. I literally want to throw the broom away and walk out of the club. Looking back in time, I am so glad that I didn't throw the broom away. If I did on that day, I wouldn't have been able to achieve the subsequent achievements that I was able to achieve. Next year, I was appointed as the club service director, year after secretary, year after the president, next the interaction chairman, and subsequently the DIR. Now just imagine my destiny would have been very different if I decided to throw the broom away on that day. I want to speak to your hearts. Whenever you are looking at achieving great things in life, there are times where you are going to feel frustrated. There are times where you are going to feel irritated. There are times where you are going to feel agitated. There are times where you feel that nothing is working your way and you feel like throwing away the broom. I ask you very humbly and very kindly, at that given point in time, keep your emotions in check. Whenever you get angry, remember the story of the broom. If I threw away the broom today, I would not have been in a position to come in front of you and do this speech. I would have never been able to achieve those subsequent achievements, right? Murtaz, I'm sure you will agree with me. All the past DIRs interactors, you will agree with me. When you go to achieve certain things, there's a lot of pain that you will have to go through, right? I ask you to do this exercise if possible. Find the person that you believe is successful, right, in your definition, because my definition of success can be very different to your definition of success, sir. Your definition of success can be very different to Murtaz, your definition of success, right? All our definition of success is going to be different to one another, right? I want you to approach that person and ask that person one question, and that question is this. In your journey of achieving it, when you were going through the journey of achieving your success, Did you ever feel like giving up? I will promise you, most of them would say, yes, I wanted to give up. Then, how did they achieve success? Very simple. When they wanted to give up, I say wanting to throw away the broom, they decided to go on for one more hour. They decided to go on for one more day. They decided to go on for one more week. They decided to go on for one more month. They decided to go on for one more year. I will promise you, I don't think there is a person in this world who has never felt like giving up in the way of achieving their success. I ask you to keep your emotions in check. Even today, I lose my temper when I get frustrated, when I get irritated, I remember the broom. So I ask you to keep yourself in check and never ever throw the broom away. Lesson number 3, what interact